Hello guys, this is Deepan from Team 7 Boards, and today I will show you how you can use LinkedIn articles to rank your business or rank your content, anything else, anything you would like to rank. It can be used for like very competitive niches and topics and subjects. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, so basically, we already know that everything related to digital marketing services or SEO, social media, and anything, it has really huge competition. Like digital marketing courses in Kolkata, this has like you can see so many results and etc. So basically, if we wanted to rank a new content, or if you want to rank your landing page or content, it will be much harder on your website or do anything. Uh, so what you can do, you can leverage LinkedIn article. You just have to log in your LinkedIn account, and right here you can see write article. So let me show you first what I mean by that. You can use LinkedIn article to leverage high competition keywords and rank your content. So basically, at 7 books we wanted to rank for digital marketing courses in Kolkata, also for institution and etc. Institution, academy. So what I did, I wrote a content. Here you can see. So I wrote a generic content that like top 10 digital marketing courses with institution in Kolkata. Okay. So the thing is, one thing you have to do, the content has to be really good. Of course, we already know that SEO content has to be already good. So create a great content first of all. Add your insights, some images. uh, don't write with AI, please. Yes, you can write with AI, but take some help of AI. Just don't write it and copy paste it. Modify it, add some insight like Indeed, Naukri. You can read it. I will put the link down below, or you can search it. So basically, you have to create a good content first. Okay, come down to the LinkedIn, click on write article. Here you can see, put your title and article here. Of course, I'm guessing you guys already know this. You have to have a LinkedIn profile to create this, or LinkedIn account. So do that first, and then you can publish that also. Okay, so here in the article section you can put the title and description, etc. And what I have written, like a top 10 digital marketing courses with institution in Kolkata. I have strategically used two keywords there, like courses and institution also. So if I search in even in incognito mode, if I search in incognito mode like digital marketing courses in Kolkata, here you can see here is NIAT and IM skills, IIDE, NIHT, then my LinkedIn one is popping up. Here is the thing, I have, as you can see that I have written this like 6 months ago, but when I published it, it was it wasn't ranking for like 1 or 2 months. After 1 or 2 months it started popping off in CRP. So you need to have good content and a pretty amount of patience, of course. So you need to have a patience to uh, understand Google, that what you have written, what is the quality, and if it's people are searching it for not, it's a good content, because I am getting so many views from it. Let me show you. If I click on view stats, as you can see, yesterday it was 688 article views, and today it's 697. I'm getting views almost every day. So you can use this tactic to write as much content you like for your business, but remember, don't spam and keep your content relevant. Write relevant content, update relevant, and you, one thing I will suggest you, that write about just not writing about your business. Try to write something helpful to users. Like I could have written about directly about promoting my company and etc. But what you need to do, you need to add value to your content. That's Google like, we already know this. right? Like here you can see I have not only given one, I have top 10, I've used top 10. So people will get value from this, and that's Google all need. Okay, so start writing article from today, and hopefully you will get there soon. Keep in mind to have patience, and that's it for this video. And follow, like, subscribe our channel, and see you on the next one.